autonomous self-balancing robot. The bot which balances itself on the two point of contact with the ground, and it traverses autonomously path using an overhead camera. Now I am starting the bot, and it calibrates for 5 seconds to estimate the value of angle and angular velocity. Now it's balancing itself, and it has a Aruko marker over it which needs to detect its position in the world and its orientation with a fixed axis. We will run a Python script to make it autonomous and using camera. So now the Bluetooth is connected and live feed from camera is started, and we have a feature based on the ambient light. We can adjust the camera brightness until it detects the bot. After it detects the bot correctly, we can mark our path. We can draw any shape with the points and whatever path we need, and then we can press enter. The bot will move autonomously on that path. So you see that it's going to first point. After it reaches to that point, it will beep for 1 second and it will move to the next point. When it goes on the point, means we have decided a threshold. It should be a near 1 centimeter of that point. If it's in that threshold, it detects that the point has been reached. After the finishing all tasks, the bot will stop and the code will also stop. This internship don't give us only technical knowledge, but it gives a lot of knowledge to live life in the society. We had a visit to Canary Caves. I have already visited that cave, but when eYantra took me there with a good archaeologist, I found that what we visit, it's not a visit, but when we have a person who tells the story behind that place, then we know what is this and what is the importance of this in our life. Talks which are not in technical, it helped a lot to build our personality. There was a talk on GitHub Copilot. Before coming here, I used AI like only a chatbot. But after only 2 hours of session, I got to know that what AI can do. I made a project which I cannot build in 6 months. I made it in 1 hour. Here, the knowledge is not only fixed to a one domain. So every day I went to the whole projects and I asked what you have done today. So they tell me about their experience, their technologies, and I came to know like what I am doing is a small part of technology, but there are a lot of things to learn. So I came to know a lot of technologies here. I am from a Hindi medium students and I don't have confidence to talk with people. So I met a lot of peoples from all over the India. When I went to other peoples, I learned how to communicate with them. It gave me a lot of confidence. It helped me to get over the fear of communication.
So the main thing I come for this internship for 3 purposes. So first thing is confidence, second thing self-improvement, and third thing is connections. I got confident by doing this project. I can do anything from this. Now I can speak to anyone without any fears. So then I improved myself.
This is my second time of eYantra Summer Internship. It motivated me to again participate in competition only for the internship. This year I had a lot of opportunities to join other like companies and other things, but still I choose eYantra because I know what I can learn here, which is out of box knowledge I get here, the confidence I get here, and the exposure which I get in eYantra internship, which you will never get in any other companies or any other colleges or competitions. The main reward is the eYantra Summer Internship. So you should work hard.
The real success is not based on how they are getting certificates or how they are getting money. Real success is what they are learning from those days, what the struggle they are facing. Real reward like internship.
So I was very beginner in everything, but after coming to eYantra internship and participating in eYRC with 2 times, my learning curve moved to like it's an exponential curve. It's game changer for me.